ABC Educational Channel. Today, let's have a daily use English sentences. Using household chores. Are you ready? Let's begin. I help clean the house.
I help clean the house.
I make my bed in the morning.
I make my bed in the morning.
I fold my blanket.
I fold my blanket.
I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
I mop the floor with water.
I mop the floor with water.
I wipe the table after eating.
I wipe the table after eating.
I pick up my toys.
I pick up my toys.
I put my toys in the box.
I put my toys in the box.
I help wash the dishes.
I help wash the dishes.
I dried the dishes with a towel.
I dried the dishes with a towel.
I put the dishes away.
I put the dishes away.
I throw the trash in the bin.
I throw the trash in the bin.
I take out the garbage.
I take out the garbage.
I help sort the laundry.
I help sort the laundry.
I fold my clothes.
I fold my clothes.
I help hang clothes outside.
I help hang clothes outside.
I match the socks.
I matched the socks.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
I fed the dog.
I fed the dog.
I brushed the cat.
I brushed the cat.
I cleaned the fish tank.
I cleaned the fish tank.
I help my mum in the kitchen.
I help my mum in the kitchen.
I washed the fruits.
I wash the fruits.
I peel the vegetables.
I peel the vegetables.
I help set the table.
I help set the table.
I put the spoons and forks in place.
I put the spoons and forks in place.
I help serve the food.
I help serve the food.
I wipe the kitchen counter.
I wipe the kitchen counter.
I sweep the porch.
I sweep the porch.
I clean the windows with a cloth.
I clean the windows with a cloth.
I help wash the car.
I help wash the car.
I pick up the leaves in the yard.
I pick up the leaves in the yard.
I organize my books.
I organize my books.
I put my school back in place.
I put my school back in place.
I dust the shelves.
I dust the shelves.
I clean my shoes.
I clean my shoes.
I help make lunch.
I help make lunch.
I carry groceries to the kitchen.
I carry groceries to the kitchen.
I tidy up my bedroom.
I tidy up my bedroom.
I check if the lights are off.
I check if the lights are off.
I help little brother clean his toys.
I help little brother clean his toys.
I help grandma fold the towels.
I help Grandma fold the towels.
I held that in the garden.
I held that in the garden.
I help fix small things.
I help fix small things.
I clean the table after snack time.
I clean the table after snack time.
I vacuum the carpet.
I vacuum the carpet.
I open the windows for fresh air.
I open the windows for fresh air.
I help decorate the house.
I help decorate the house.
I follow my parents' instructions.
I follow my parents' instructions.
I help helping at home every day.
I like helping at home every day.